In this tutorial I will restore this image using Photoshop and AI. Let's start. Create a duplicate layer. Go to Filter. Choose Neural Filter. Click Photo Restoration. Increase scratch reduction according to your image. Click OK. Select remaining scratch, press Shift F5, choose Content Aware and click OK. After that, merge all layers and export image. Search Ease AI. Click on the first link. On top, click AI Enhancement. Click Photo Restoration. Upload image. Click Start. Here is the result. Download the image.